Guess who's building another computer because theirs didn't have an NVIDIA GPU and they don't want to use a workstation GPU in their gaming computer? That's perfect for workstation stuff. This guy. Okay, so let me show you. This is the computer I'm planning on using, and I know what you're thinking. Why is there so damn RAM for a computer that uses DIMM RAM? Once upon a time, there's AliExpress. You know what I do on AliExpress? I bought an adapter for this. It converts from SODIMM to DIMM, which means I can actually use it in a desktop computer. Pain. Okay. And clearly, I have a lot of tech lying around. So you know what that means? We're gonna use this MacBook to give me its SSD. Because this machine doesn't need it. It doesn't need half a terabyte of storage if I'm not even using the damn thing. What? What the hell? You okay? Are you dead? Hold on. There was nothing. Maybe it's just been off for so long, which it has, that its battery's like, actually, I need more of a charge. Oh, I forgot to mention this modification. What? Oh crap, it actually works this time. What the hell? I didn't turn it off, right, yeah. Basically, I had a Samsung S6 Lite lying around, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna just use this for another monitor. And now I got a touchscreen monitor, which is higher res than both of these, each. Here's my current server. It sucks. I wanted to upgrade it, but then I realized the cost of upgrading the CPU and an outdated laptop, buying an outdated CPU for an outdated laptop, you know how much that would have cost me? Too much. You know how much? Over 100 euros. And that's without shipping and import charges. 100 euros for a CPU that's 4 cores and 8 threads. So I was like, nah, screw this. I'm building a new computer. Because that computer would need a new SSD. More RAM, because currently it's got 8 gigs of mismatched DDR3 RAM. And obviously the new CPU. So that would already like 200. Around 200, maybe 300 euros. Just for upgrades on a machine that's outdated, a laptop, and the battery's dying. Plus I need to get a charger. A big, better charger, because the CPU also uses more power. So yeah, a lot of problems is what I'm trying to say. You'd have more luck building a new computer, which is what I want to do. And my plan is, don't buy more parts, use existing parts. You remember this guy? I tried to sell him on Facebook Marketplace. It has not been working so far. We're going to use it as a backup drive in my system. It sucks, which is why it's not going to hold important information. Just backups. Digital backups of what the half terabyte SSD has. And this is 750 gigs, so it can comfortably hold it. We'll have a partition. One for backups, which is going to be like 400 gigs, sure. And the rest will be just, I don't know. Maybe the AI model. No, that'll slow it down a lot. Whatever. We'll have backups of like the entire computer, 400 gigs. The rest will just be, overall, like AI backups, of the model, of the current model that I'm using. All the data it's collected, all the data that it's made, and the AI pictures it's made. Like, I've been doing this on my computer. However, the AMD build, like the AMD the software for AMD GPUs sucks. It chugs. It just sucks. It's terrible. It's stupid. I hate it. And that's because, NVIDIA GPUs have better compatibility than AMD GPUs, which is why they cost so much of a premium. Otherwise, if AMD GPUs were more compatible, Nvidia would start losing even more market share, which it should, because it's so expensive for something that's barely better. Also, I still don't know why I decided to upgrade this MacBook Air. I thought I was going to use it a lot. I did for a while. Not really. And it's just been sitting on my goddamn counter by the window, collecting dust, doing nothing. And you know why the reason that is? Because there's a thing called everything else. Seriously. My phone does tasks better than this. This tablet I'm using as a monitor could do better tasks than this. Well, ARM-based tasks at least. That HP laptop, it's also better. If not even better now, despite the mismatched RAM. The RAM is slower on that machine now. That is true. It's got 8 gigs instead of 4 gigs. And the mismatched RAM actually isn't that bad, so yeah. It's actually pretty good. Not bad. I approve. Very cool. Luckily, I never threw out the old SSD, because I had a feeling like I might need it on a rainy day if I ever actually work on another machine other than this one. So it's like, yeah, sure, let's keep it, just in case. So I did. It's gotta be in there. If it's not in there, then I'm schizophrenic and I don't exist, and none of this is real. But if it is there, then everything does exist, and I in fact am not in a made up fucking whatever. Last screw. Okay, it was already out. Never mind. Okay, get off. There you go. Thanks. Thanks, MacBook. Oh, you know what happened? It was unplugged, the battery, again. Yeah, don't you just love it when your MacBook battery just unplugs by itself? And it's awesome. Actually, wait, we need to unplug it anyway. Brother. Having long nails coming in clutch? What? Okay. So the SSD in here is a SATA 3 SSD. Despite the fact that it's M.2. It's just, M.2 shape, SATA 3 speeds. Which, for reasons why I bought this was because of compatibility. Because it has both notches, which means no matter where you put this SSD in that supports M.2, it will go in. It has half a terabyte of storage. What is SP SSD? It's been reliable when I was using it, at least. The speeds were actually not slow in my experience. I mean, especially for this computer. The computer is probably slowing down this SSD, not gonna lie. Because this is the original SSD. Big as hell, but tiny in actual capacity. You know? Oh my god. Thanks, aesthetic bag. Get out of there. Thank you. Is this curved? That is very curved indeed. What the hell happened to you? Can we curve you back? Okay. It was curved. Now it's not, I think. It'll be fine. I mean, it just needs to work, is what I'm saying. There's a lot more memory modules on this, too. Look at all that. Look at all these. Boom, 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 boom. You know what this means? These are each 32 gigs. 32, 64, 96, 128. Very cool. Then you have the little, what is this, memory controller? Or cache, who knows? There's a little protection for the actual board thingy. Okay, and its own proprietary connector. Because this is an Apple product. What do you expect? What? You think they're going to be reasonable? You think they're going to be reasonable? You think they're going to be reasonable? You think they're reasonable? They don't make Minecraft torches. What do you expect? They're not going to be reasonable. Does this even help? Barely. But it looks better. For this at least. Whatever. What do we need? Proprietary, normal. Okay. Let's be lazy for the normal one. 'Cause why not? Oh, that actually worked. I can't believe that worked. That was the dumbest thing I could have done in this situation. But it worked, so I don't honestly complaining. Listen, man, it ain't dumb if it works correctly. There you go. This is gonna go into my second machine. Oh, yes, baby. That's good. Now we got our main boot drive and a backup hard drive. So this is gonna be very cool to have. Ow. And if we ever wait. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's a different screw. What is this? T5, right? Oh, sorry. What? Yeah, T5 screw is what I'm guessing. And if it ain't, we'll try a different one. Which one is that? If it ain't a T5, we'll try TR6. Oh, it's TR5, alright. There you go. I'll just carefully lift this bad boy up. And pull. Just a little. Okay, thanks. Well, at least we didn't grip it too hard, clearly. Just notice, this is the only one that has a standoff. The rest don't have a standoff. Ah, it's fine. It'll be fine. Okay. Does this move? No, that's purposely like that. Super duper. Thanks, Apple. Okay. Original SSD. Here you go. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Going in the machine. Back to work, buddy. Where'd I put the screw? Where's the screw? Where the hell is the screw, actually? Where'd I put the screw? If I don't find the screw, I'm screwed. Because otherwise, it's going to just fall out. Oh my god, they have to... That blends in very well. What the hell was that? You're trying to cause a fire in my old damn house? You bastard. What is this cable? Why is there a random USB-C? Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, let's screw this bad boy back in. Boink. Let's get this motherfucking goofy cover back on. Alright, the battery. What's this thing? What are you hiding? Oh, there's dust on the battery. Oh my god. Yeah, I also noticed the battery hasn't swollen, which means this is a quality battery as well that they ordered from China. They didn't even pay too much of a premium compared to Apple, at least. Apple would have charged me a kidney and a liver for this battery replacement. It would have told me, oh yeah, this doesn't have a heatsink. $500, please. Like, bro, this machine ain't even worth $200. Where'd you get $500 from? Our ass, sir. Well, that sounds about right. At least stick on there like before. Okay. Give me my check. What can I unplug? What am I not using right now? This? Yes, that is for the cooler, isn't it? Yeah. Why do I even have that plugged in? It's pointless. The rest I am using, like monitor. Monitor? I have both monitors plugged into here? No, I don't. I have one. What's the other? Oh, it's the laptop, which I'm gonna get rid of anyway in exchange for. Whoa! What? Why didn't I use that before? That's a way nicer color. Okay, my bad. Alright, the very high quality Apple charger. These better belong to the other PSU, because if they don't and it ends up frying it, I'm gonna kill everyone. Do not put me on a list. I will sue you. I'm literally gonna sue. Blood is gonna sue the FBI. What the fuck? So basically, the last video where I modified this computer because I was like, I'm gonna use it a lot, you know? Wait. Let me guess. Oh, no, I didn't. Good job. You didn't fuck it over again. don't even know what this is. Random copper. What if I kept this in this time? Okay, it's taking charge. I recognize it. Motherfucker. Recognizes the battery isn't charged, so that's something. Did it fall out? Yeah, it fell out already. Ah, whatever. We'll plug it back in anyway. Also, I hate the fact that I actually took care of this machine. Like, the thermal paste, yeah, I can understand. Battery, that was definitely needed. However, you know, bigger SSD. However, looking back at it, wasn't worth it after all, because when I was playing a video game, you know, Minecraft somehow works on this pretty well, especially the older versions. I pressed the W key. You know what happened? It stopped responding. So the keyboard is also dying, so that's pretty cool to know. After I just spent what did I spend on this thing? So the battery was 35 euros. 2 adapters because I messed up the first time. That was like what, 10 to 15 euros. SSD was 25 euros, but now I'm gonna use it for something else, so you can just count that off, I guess. So I spent 50 euros or 75 euros. 50 to 75 euros, I guess. On a computer that's dying and its entire chassis is blech, you know? Hey, but look at the good part. The adapter is at least going to be used in other machines. Like the wrong adapter, that can be used in a better machine than this one. And the correct adapter can also be used in a machine similar to this one. Okay, time to input my very secret password. That was such a secret. No one's gonna know. Okay, here we go. Hello? Press enter. Are you doing anything? Hello? That's the correct... What do you mean that's not the correct password? What is my password then? No way. Oh, this is the previous OS, right. It is a different password. Right, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, there we go. Just boot it in. It's still load. Wow, this SSD is actually a lot slower than the other one. What the fuck? Wow, that took 15 years to load. That took way too long. It's slower than the other SSD. Noticeably. And the other SSD had an adapter in between. God damn. Age, I guess. Hey, look at the good part. 92 gigabytes. 93 point... Actually went up in storage. You know how much it had remaining. What the fuck? It went from 93.87 to 93.9, so I guess that's pretty good. 93.9 gigs available of 120.99. Oh, now we went down by 0.01 gigs. Ah, whatever. It's pretty good. Max fan control. Obviously, that needs to be set on full blast. Idiots. Yes. Overly loud computer. What does the computer do if it just completely stopped the fan? What are you gonna do? Oh, it actually recognizes it as 0 RPM. Does it recognize me turning it? No, it doesn't. Well, it's actually at 60 Celsius with the fan not moving whatsoever. Oh, I can actually recognize different 745 RPM. It does recognize different values other than stock speed and 0. Pretty cool. Wow, it actually went to 6600 for a moment. Stopped. For a moment. 65. We had 66 earlier, so that's pretty cool. Even though the max value is 6500. It varies, which is understandable. Or just can't read it properly, but who knows. Gonna shut you back down. There's this fixed memory leak on Apple Silicon. That's not a problem. Temperature display readings freeze on some older MacBook Air. This is an older MacBook Air. Performance Core 3 on Mac Mini M2. Doesn't matter. Multiple small improvements and fixes. Sure, that's pretty good. Complete MacBook Pro. Doesn't matter. Bulgarian. Doesn't matter for me. Sure, install. The bug fixes I can understand. The rest I don't really need. It's so loud. Shut up, bro. It's just not go anywhere if I cover this up. Yeah, basically just suffocates. Whatever. 14 point. Oh, wow, it's actually connected to the internet. That's pretty cool. Install and relaunch. Okay. Yes, sir, Awooga. Oh wait, yeah, now we can just put our classic screw bits back in. Put this garbage one back in. And this one we're gonna need to reassemble the computer. Oh, it's already downloaded? Okay, great. You will now shut off. Oh, it's not downloaded. Now it's downloaded. Okay, great. You will now shut off. Because screw you. And that's that. Okay, there you go. Easy win. I need to wait for it to turn off. Is the screen flickering? I think the screen's also flickering. Jeez, I poured in too much money on a computer that doesn't need it. All this attention. Definitely okay, I got thermal paste on me again. Goop. Hey, Goop. Oh, that smells horrible. Okay, great, thanks. Thanks for that. Asshole. I want to go without this, but this is also another reason that keeps the screws on the back plate from not screwing in too hard. The only reason I don't want to put it in is because, look, extra airflow without it. Like, shut up, bro. Just break these fins. I'm kidding. Of course. Let's scratch it with that shit. Oh my god. I fix it. Also doesn't like this computer. Relatable! Thanks, iFixit. So cool, bro. So cool, bro. So cool, bro. Oh wait, let me actually turn it on correctly. I'm gonna keep it plugged in. And if any tech nerd that actually knows what they're doing with computers complains, like my teacher, you know he's an asshole, complains about what I'm doing right now, shut up, bro. This is not your tech. Like, what the hell? You can tell me, but you certainly can't be like, actually, I could do better because, you said to do it that way. Also, I think that, the Y00 screws are the best screws. Shut up, bro. Phillips screws are way better. That's standardized. Like, everyone knows it. Everyone knows what a Phillips screw is. If you tell them, oh, I like Y00, they're gonna look at you like you just murdered their puppy and then shat on their cat. You just look like an idiot, bro. Like, shut the fuck up, man. You're talking nonsense. You're just talking out of your ass. Come on, man. Whoa. Get in there, boy. Okay. Let me just... Much better. I will not be surprised if someone's texting me on Discord, because I saw a notification earlier. It's like, I'm working on a computer. So why not multitask? Because doing this is like hurts doing. Which country is next to USA? USB. That reminds me of the meme called, oh my god, this just doesn't want to screw in, even though it should. bitch. Trust me, this is mostly not on the back plate. There's a sticker here. I think I can remove it. It'll just be a little sticky afterwards. I can deal with that over chunks of the sticker. And we're going to have chunks of the sticker. Or not. Just to peel. Ah, no, I fucked it up. Okay. This X I made caused this. Okay, so I am my own worst enemy then. Sounds about right. Motherfucker! Tiny little. Oh, I don't have a trash can anymore because I started growing my own fucking ecosystem in there. Because I'm so smart. Trying to make my own fucking insect zoo, bro. Brother. Oh my, these nails are both helpful and a nightmare. Because I can't fucking grab this. But I can't fucking peel it. I can peel it. But then my nails screw me over with, you can't grab it with your fucking skin, bro. Nah, bro. You ain't gonna do that. Well, we got the sticker off. But now we got this problem. We can basically pick the computer almost up. Look at this. See what happens? The computer burps. Crazy tech innovation, I don't know. Okay, so clearly by what I'm seeing here and there, I have 3 screws remaining for here. Which means I need to put this one here. I'm a genius, guys. I know, that was so hard to figure out. Okay, someone texted me. Let me just send them back a random GIF of a cat doing Gangnam Style. Because that's very normal human behavior, which every human that behaviors does. This is my favorite jam, bro. Oh. Mother. Can't even lay back. Fuck. These are the wrong screws. I thought this one's in here. It's not. This one was supposed to go in there. Fuck. Are they the same screws though? They probably are, but I know I'm gonna struggle. Actually, I don't want to pull an all-nighter, whatever. But actually, it's like, you didn't do it correctly, because that screw's supposed to go in there. It's gonna haunt me all night, and it'll be like, oh my fucking god, I get it, bro. I'm too tired to fix it, though. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, kill yourself. You know, it's gonna be like a nightmare. It's gonna be like, please shut up, bro. You know what I want to try? Staying up for so long that I end up seeing hallucinations. I want to see what my mind can try and spook me with. No balls. No balls. And my tactic for staying awake isn't coffee or Red Bull or Monster. Orange juice. And vitamin well drinks. Because that actually keeps me up better than coffee ever could. Seriously, I drank orange juice earlier. Now I'm like, look what I'm doing. Computer. Wow, there's even more dents here. Great job, computer. Sticker residue, don't worry. Actually, let me draw something. There we go. Furry shit. Now erase it. Erase it. We don't want people knowing we're degenerate. Erase it. There we go. Now no one will know except everyone. There you go. My man just was like, respond, bitch. No, bitch. I'm opening computer. I might even make a video just like, no, bitch, I'm opening computer. That's fine. That's very safe. Actually, let me remove. Let me just move this cable. There we go. So I don't pull it with my chair. Okay, so that's it for this video. Yeah, now we gotta erase the contents of the SSD. Okay, let's get to work, huh? Let's get to work. Which country is next to USA? USB. Yeah, you should subscribe.